add-on is this. For a very long time, many people have been looking for a business opportunity. My Daily Choice has come up with a package for you where you don't have to invest in the raw material, you don't have to invest in bringing product from Europe or America. We bring it for you. And you do not have to have an office. We have a big office for you, a big distribution center. All you will need to do is to use the most and the best way of distributing product, word of mouth advertising. So whether you're in school, whether you're a home mom, or whether you're doing this at a part-time basis, don't worry, come to the 6th floor of Rehani House, and we are going to show you how you can partner with us. We do the distribution, we do the supply, and we are also going to give you marketing tools to do the business. All you will need to do is to bring your friends aboard. Commissions are paid on a Friday, every Friday, and every end month. How do you feel to earn 2 types of commissions, one at the end of the week and one at the end of the month? Hundreds of people today have joined into our network marketing system and are enjoying the benefits of talking to people about our products. So welcome aboard, everybody.